YouTube thumbnail tutorial. Let's get it! This is me, Nila, and I keep getting asked the same question. How do I create a thumbnail? And I'm here to show you everything. First off, you need to download your Canva app, and how you can download your Canva app is using your Apple Play Store or your Google Play Store, and that's very easy. I'm going to show you the process. So I use an Apple Play Store, so I'm going to download that. So first off, you need to search on Canva. Once you search on Canva, then you click on it, then you download. But I already have it on my iOS, so yes, that can work for me and also work for you. Now that you've downloaded it, let's see what the interface is all about. Welcome to Canva. This is literally one of my favorite applications to use. Every time I open Canva, it just gives me that exciting creative rush, like boom, Canva is here and ready for you, my girl. The interface is super inviting, filled with different design options and helpful pop-ups to guide you. So now I'm going to click on the creating a design. After you've done that, you will see multiple layout choices. Today we are heading into the thumbnail zone. Ta-da! I hope you guys are ready and excited, because I am. So I'm going to be exploring the templates from the design page. Canva offers tons of templates. Honestly, I don't stress myself trying to start from scratch unless I really want to, because yeah, less is more. I will show you some other cool features like your saved projects and even more templates tailored for YouTube thumbnails, reels and shorts. The variety is endless, as you can see. Sometimes just being on this page sparks fresh ideas in my head. And since I use the Pro version, I get even more premium options. Guys, various varieties, as you can see. Try typing YouTube thumbnail in the search bar. You will discover a whole new collection. So don't be overwhelmed. There's something for every vibe. Literally, if you are looking for minimalistic look, everything is there. I saw one, but I don't think it's giving me what I want, especially for what I want to create. But I just want you guys to see how this thumbnail looks. So I'm going to go to another one so that I can see if I can use that. I found this one, but I don't know, it's not still giving me what I need for my content. So I need to go through to find the one that really goes with my flow, because as you can see, I usually love the for this search I need the minimalistic. So under the style, I'm going to click on the minimalistic so that it gives me various options to use, because yes, you need that option to just pop up something nice and even make you think more of what to do. So I'm just scanning through to find which exact one I could find. Okay, so I've seen one. This looks like what I'm going for, because literally it's about me, Q&A on the YouTube and thumbnail, which I'm doing recently, and this is how it is, guys. Look at how beautiful it is. I don't need to do too much, just do some quick edits and I'm there. So here's the layout that I've chosen. First, I would need to change the image. And when I want to do that, I go to the upload tab. I choose a photo from my gallery. After I'm done clicking the exact pictures that I do want, so that I'm able to replace the default image, I click on it and ta-da! It's showing on the interface of the Canva for the editing process. Once I'm done with that, I make sure to remove the picture, then click on the picture that I do want for my thumbnail. I was really searching for which one would go with the vibe. I really love this. Oh my god, look at how beautiful I look. I'm such a cutie patootie. But anyways, I have to remove the background remover, which is at the top part, which is easier, because having the Pro version really just helps you to go through this process easily, because now it looks like the other one, but this is my creation in adding my picture in it, so it just gives like a nice look, and it turned out really nice and I love the change. When I'm done with that, I wanted to see if other pictures would go well with it, but I think I'm just going to stick with this because I think it just gives more nice, approachable look, especially for my viewers. Put it now in the comment below if you're loving this thumbnail. Oh guys, see my makeup slaps so beautifully. Now I'm going to enhance my photo. So there are just various ways on how you can do. Usually I use the image upscaler just because it's 4K that we use on YouTube, but it's not really giving me what I do want. So I'm not going to use that at the moment. I'm just going to scan through other slides that I can use. So usually I check on the smooth skin just to clear out anything, basically just to give it that nice flawless look. When you guys see, this is really optional. I just do that just because like I have access to this application, so why not use them? So once I'm done making sure that everything is how it's meant to be, I decided to look for more things. Guys, you can see from the different apps, from the FX effects, from everything. I wanted to try 2x to see if it will still give like a more crisp picture look. So I'm trying to make sure that everything, but now it's uploaded and I'm trying to see the before and the after to see if it's nice. And I tried to upload that on the picture. It's still giving, I don't know, maybe it's just me, it's giving me more of the AI fake. I don't want to say fake, but it's fake to be honest, because it's not me. So I had to remove it. I didn't like it at all. Pretty much I feel this is very perfect. So there's the autofocus if you want to use it to increase or decrease the blur intensity or the focus position. I'm just showing you guys various elements of Canva if you have something that you want to use this for, because the options are endless. AI helps you to renovate the pictures in a very futuristic way. So there's just various elements, and this is what I usually use for my thumbnails. Just because of this thumbnail I'm doing now is more minimalistic and it's just answering questions. So I want to try using the shadow part. I don't know if you guys can see how it's just you doing what really fits you, what makes the image looks as perfect as you want it to. So I was just going through, so you guys see that there are various, even the Magic Studio 2 is one AI tool in Canva that you can use. It's really nice. It just fits your look how you want it to. So you can just put your prompts on the tab there and just like put anything you want to put there. You can be like, I want my face to be looking this way. I want an added layer of fringe on my forehead, or just various. I just want you guys to see how this is, so you guys can experience the whole thing of how Canva can help with the editing of your thumbnail. But this is also optional. Like pretty much it's not all my thumbnail that I use this for, but I just use that just because it still gives that nice specs I do like, and I want you guys to also learn. And if you have any further question or you need me to explain a certain aspect on this video, please put it down in the comment below. I'm definitely going to answer you guys. Now it's time for me to change the text, and I'm going to type in some prompts that people have been asking me just to get clarity on how they can use the thumbnail, or how they can use it on Canva, because people don't know how to do that process. Why I'm emphasizing on so much elements that you guys can use. First of question was how to create a YouTube thumbnail, which I'm using my Canva, which I've explained in this video on the step-by-step process and the interface and all options that you can use, or pop-ups, or even AI that you can use for your thumbnail just to give it a different vibe and look, from different styles that you can use, from futuristic to minimalistic to subtle looks, just anything that you do want to make it really nice. The next question that I was asked is, how can I use Canva to create a thumbnail? That is why I made sure that everything is critically explained. And like I said, if you have any question, put it down in the comment below. Your girl is here to answer that. Then another question is the YouTube thumbnail tutorial for beginners, where I've taught you how to adjust your font, your size and placement until it fits your layout perfectly. So there's like dragging it up and doing everything, like various varieties of what to do on your thumbnail. It's not as hard as everybody like portrays it to be. It's the easiest. I don't really stress myself. Like literally thumbnails take an hour if I'm like really dedicated on my thumbnail and everything. It doesn't really take too much time. And another thing is that also for the pictures that you want to use, I used my iPhone 14 Pro. And how I do that process is that I take a picture is from a video. literally I screenshotted it and like it gave this flawless look. So doing it just photos than just videos, like, is really not it. So there's another aspect for position. If you just want to, like, maybe you want the image itself to go backwards or forward, or you want the prompt, the whitish question tags to be at the front of my white cloth. I don't know if you guys can see that. Actually, you can just layer it as you want to. It's not so hard. It's a very easy process that you can use. And also, if you want to add like icons, stickers, or effects, you can add to the elements tab. But for now, I'm keeping it clean and simple. I'm not really doing too much, but I'm really loving how my thumbnail is looking because it's inviting, it's informative, it's like giving me exactly what I want you guys to know. Then once I'm done, once I'm happy with everything, I go to the file menu to rename my project. I call it YouTube Thumbnail for Beginners. It's important to name your file clearly, guys. I never used to do that, and once I started doing that, it has helped my content. I won't even lie, it has helped it to 100. So make sure you name your file, make sure you name your thumbnail. Yes, you name your video, which is very important. And if you want me to show you guys how I do that process on editing my videos, or like how I edit my video, because I use my iPhone 14 Pro for my editing process pretty much. If you want that, you can put in comment below. I'll do a video for my editing process pretty much. If you want that, you can put in comment below. I'll do a video for that. And yes, that's it, guys. I'm really happy with everything. Finally, I'm going to download my design in the PNG format. There are various formats you can use the JPEG, you can use any other format, but for me presently, I use my format in downloading my thumbnail. So once I'm done, I just save the image so that I just go straight to pretty much my gallery, and I select. And as you can see, guys, look at how beautiful it looks, so angelic. Canva makes designing so easy and fun. It's all about exploring, experimenting, and letting your creativity flow, and just chilling and relaxing, because really it's very beautiful. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you have any question, put it down in the comment below, and your girl will be ready to answer you. Thanks for watching.